Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need power and a quick decision. Plug in if battery is low. Open Photos, tap Albums, then find Recently Deleted. This is your recovery pool. Once there, scan timestamps and sizes to prioritize what to keep. Select items using Select in the upper right. Tap each photo or use Select All if restoring many. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in Settings Photos if you plan to back up to iCloud afterward. After selecting, tap Recover to return photos to your main library. This restores original metadata. Once recovered, immediately create a local backup. Connect to your Mac or PC and import via Photos or Image Capture, or AirDrop to a trusted device. If you prefer files, export full resolution copies to the Files app and save to a folder named Backup with a date. Doing this prevents accidental redeletion. And now push a cloud copy. Make sure iCloud Photos is on and your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and charging so uploads complete. If upload stalls, toggle iCloud Photos off and on, or sign out and back into iCloud. Reconnect Wi-Fi and give it time. If some recovered photos are still missing, check Recently Deleted and Photos on any synced device because deletions can propagate. Finally, verify backup by viewing photos. If problems persist, restart the phone and retry the export step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.